Toyota's philosophy of Kaizen, or continuous improvement, shines in the 2025 GR Corolla. This rally-inspired hatchback now features an automatic transmission, enhancing its appeal without losing its manual roots. The new 8-speed automatic transmission is a standout. Naoyuki Sakamoto, chief engineer for the GR Corolla, explains it's based on a standard Toyota unit but features unique enhancements. With shorter gear ratios and faster shifts, it rivals BMW's 8 speeds, offering smooth everyday driving and rapid shifts in sport mode. Rolling out of the pits at the Charlotte Motor Speedway road course, the Roval, this transmission is immediately impressive. On the Charlotte Motor Speedway, the GR Corolla impresses. The automatic transmission effortlessly selects the right gear, while the playful chassis and improved suspension make for an exhilarating drive. The car's intuitive handling and all-wheel drive system ensure confidence in every corner. With a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, the GR Corolla delivers strong performance. The new track all-wheel drive mode offers variable torque distribution, enhancing stability and control. The car's balance and grip are exceptional, making it a joy to drive. The GR Corolla starts at $39,995, with the automatic option adding $2,000. Despite a slight price increase, it remains competitive against rivals like the Golf R and Civic Type R. The mid-tier premium is up by $1,120 to $42,575, while the Top Dog Premium Plus starts at $46,850. Going for the automatic adds $2,000 to all trim levels. Yet a Golf R starts at $46,890, and it doesn't have anything like the character of the GR Corolla, and the Civic Type R's MSRP is in the mid-40s too. And nothing else on sale drives like the GR Corolla. The 2025 GR Corolla exemplifies Toyota's commitment to Kaizen, offering an improved driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.